So, your house has been sitting on the market a little longer than you expected. No offers that feel right, and now you're thinking, maybe I should just rent it out. That's how a lot of people end up as what we call accidental landlords. Sounds kind of cool, right? But trust me, it's not always as fun as it sounds. So here's the deal. The market slowed down because the mortgage rates got higher. Buyers got sticker shock, and some of them decided to sit on the sideline. So yeah, if your place isn't sold, you're not alone. A lot of sellers say, forget it, I'll just rent it out for now. But here's a twist. Rates have actually dipped recently. That means the buyers who are waiting for some breathing room are officially jumping back in the market. More affordability equals more demand, which also equals more chances to get your place for a solid number. Renting sounds easy on paper, huh? Just collecting checks every month, right? Well, not exactly. Think about it. Middle of the night calls about a leaky toilet, chasing down rent for someone who suddenly forgot what day it is. How about covering the mortgage yourself in the place that's empty for 1, 2, 3 months? And then you've got the extras, higher insurance, property management fees if you don't want to deal with the headaches. And what about those surprise repair bills that show up when you least expect them? So yeah, not always the stress-free money machine people imagine. I got your attention now, huh? So before you decide, just ask yourself, does my house really make sense as a rental in this neighborhood? Am I cool with the late night maintenance calls or paying someone else to handle them? Or am I just bummed I didn't get the offer I wanted yet? If it's the last one, remember, buyers are actually coming back now to the market because the rates have come down. That might be the chance to relaunch and get your place sold instead of becoming a landlord by default. That is freaking crazy. At the end of the day, renting works for some folks. But if it's just plan B because your listing slowed down, it might not be the stress you want in your life. I'm Haleem, the owner of the Ballou Real Estate Group, here to make the right move for you and your family. Text me, call me, DM me for all your real estate questions. I'm here whenever you need me. Have a great day.